Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I'm going to be unboxing and sharing a knife with you that I purchased, but definitely did not plan. I did not plan to purchase this knife. We'll explain it here in a sec. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down in the description. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alright, so if you don't know, the channel is approaching 50,000 subscribers. And at 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away a whole bunch of knives, including one knife valued at $500 or less that you guys have all collectively chosen and voted on over the last month or so. For the longest time, there was one knife that was so far in the lead that I thought, hey, you know, that's going to be the one. So I took an opportunity to go ahead and buy it here recently. And then it was trailing by, you know, some other, different models were trailing it. This guy came out of nowhere. What is this? Well, let me open it up. I've actually already been inside it because I have. It was Saturday when it came in. Wanted to make sure that it was in good shape. This is a Chris Reeve knife. Many of you watching will know exactly what this is, right? If you don't know, you need to go to my community tab right now and check out the poll. You'll have to scroll down a little bit. There's a poll that about 4,500 people have voted on, and you can see that this knife, you know, the poll consists of the top 5 knives that everybody wanted. The Strider SNG, the Sharp by Design Evo Typhoon, the Hinder XM18, the Demco 8020, and the Chris Reeve Sebenza 31. It's listed as 21 in the poll, but down in the comment section it says it's actually supposed to be 31. This guy is now winning. Brand new. I got you guys a variant that truthfully costs a little bit more than $500, but it's okay. I think it's worth it. This is a single silver lug with black micarta, and it is absolutely perfect. It is flawless. Wonderful disengagements. No rock, no walk on the lock, right? No wiggle. None of that. Absolutely solid. This is about a $550 knife, and I know that I said 500 or less, but, you know, truthfully, I had to work with availability. A lot of you guys know that Sebenza 31s are just not super duper available. And this guy popped up with the black micarta. Let you guys take a look at that close up. And I thought, you know what? That is probably the most beautiful version of the Sebenza 31 in my opinion. So I'm going to go ahead with that. So yeah, that's what we've got here. Now, I'll tell you guys, trailing in second place, but very close still, is the Demco 8020. It's down to these two guys. I'll tell you right now, the Sebenza 31 has 33% of the overall votes, and the Demco 8020 has 30% of the overall votes. The channel's sitting at about 48,500 subscribers, which means we've probably got about 3 weeks until the giveaway. I'm going to let the voting go for 2 more weeks, but it's going to be one of these two. This was... If you're not subscribed, make sure that you're subscribed, because you're not going to want to miss that day. This is not exclusive to patrons or members. This is for everybody. If you're watching this video right now, you can win, right? There's no entry video yet. It's down to these two. After 2 weeks from now, I'm going to shut the voting off, and whichever one is ahead, right, that's the one that I'm going to give away. But I own them now. I own them both. I know a lot of people ask, what are you going to do with the one that doesn't win? I'm going to keep it because I had to pay for it out of my own pocket. So, whichever one of these wins, it's going to you guys. Whichever one loses is going in my pocket as a user because it was a purchase I didn't plan to make. But I still want to make sure, you know, you guys get the knife that you voted for. We have a lot of other awesome stuff to give away, as I've mentioned before in previous videos. Be paying attention to the channel over the next couple of weeks. So you know when the video drops for the, how to enter, and then we will of course be giving away all of this stuff on a live stream the following week. So once again, if you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. If you are subscribed, make sure you have your notifications set to all so you know when that day comes. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me at metal_complex. And by the way, both knives are completely and totally brand new. They come with everything that you normally get with a brand new knife, right? If you buy a Chris Reeve, it comes with all the Chris Reeve stuff. You buy a Demko, it comes with all the Demko stuff. I'll make sure that's all included. Anyways, though, guys, please, like I said, follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, if you're excited, right, feeling positive for any reason, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.